Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to cancel Temu subscription. So let's get right into it. So guys, first of all we have to go on Play Store. Then we have to select our profile icon. And here you will see payment and subscriptions. Just simply you have to hit on that option. And here you will see subscriptions. For now I don't have any of subscription, but all your subscription will be show over here. So simply you can select your subscription and you can cancel it. And that's it guys. This is how to cancel Temu subscription. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.